Okay, so the most generous renewable resource we have is not wind, it's not hydro, but rather it's the sun. There's multiple ways of collecting this energy, but today I'm just going to focus on photovoltaic solar energy, or PV solar energy. It's the panels that you see up on a house, or it's the strip on your calculator. I've got this one here. It's most widely known when you think about solar energy. Okay, so it's sufficient to make the needs of today and the future. So the average house, or the average solar panel, produces 8 to 10 watts per square foot. This one here produces 7 watts at 20 volts, 19. In 2014, the average residential utility customer consumed 10,932 kilowatt hours, or 911 kilowatt hours per month. That was the U.S. Energy Information Administration. And so a 20 by 20 system can produce 3.2 to 4 kilowatts. Like if you put it up on a rooftop. The International Space Station has got an 8 array system. It's eight panels basically, only they're printed on a canvas, stretched out. It's 112 by 39 feet for each array, and so it produces 10,000 kilowatts. So it's roughly enough to supply 55 homes at a square footage of 35,000 feet roughly. Compare that to a football field at 48,000 square feet. So I could see putting them, down the highway or down existing right-of-ways for like transmission lines. Some of the benefits are it's clean energy. So there's a Clean Energy Act, a bill introduced in 2009, limits carbon emissions, and it's like you have to meet the requirements for a certain date. It's not a law, it's just a bill. So we have to think about that. And then there was the Paris Agreement just recently, which is a global agreement on climate change. So potential producers have that to think about. There's no fuel cost, it's low maintenance because there's pretty much no moving parts, if any. It limits our dependence on fossil fuels, which are non-renewable and finite. They will run out eventually. Not anywhere near it now, but they will run out. Some of the downfalls, though, are the production at night. Maybe we could look at like lunar capture. I don't know if that's thought of. Another downfall is the storage. The batteries today aren't as advanced as the technology for capturing it. So like when we are running on batteries at night, you need more batteries than you need solar panels to make up the difference. And then solar panels are vulnerable to natural disasters like the floods we just had, as well as attacks, like terrorist attacks and whatever. Somewhat vulnerable because they're exposed. In conclusion, so although the PV solar panels aren't perfect, I think they should be a larger portion of our energy production, alongside more conventional methods. Increasing with the technology as it permits. So like we have a larger portion, and then as the batteries catch up, we can continue to put more and more out there, because we need to leave the world a better place.